Hey, my name's Lana. I have a lot of history in selling. I do a lot of community events and have been in a small town for about 20 years. And today I'm going to share some of that information to you guys because I know there's a lot of worried people out there. There's a lot of people that are bored, they're at home. And I do know for a fact that you can get into your house and you can come up with some stuff that you can use down the road for some extra income. And I'm going to tell you quickly how you're going to do that. So this year I wanted to simplify my life really bad. I'm like, I have way too much stuff. So I did a little bit of the Simplify Your Life book, and I worked on a little bit of the Marie Kondo, and I just kind of combined the two. So let's just say, for example, you're going to go and you want to clean out your house, and I know millions of you are doing that right now, but maybe you could do it a little more efficiently. You can have fun with it, get your family involved. So first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna take a box, you're gonna put donate on it, you're gonna take a box that you're gonna sell later, and I'll explain how to do that. And then you are just gonna tackle one project at a time, not a closet at a time, not a box in the closet at a time. So here's my perfect example. My biggest fetish is pens and paper. So I went through my house. I did not go and just pull out a couple notebooks and pens. I pulled them all out. You put them in a big pile, and then you start going through them. If you need to, turn on your music, grab a beer, whatever you got to do to get through this quickly. And what you're going to find is that you're probably going to be sick because you have so much stuff. You had no idea. So here's my end result. That's just one pile. Here's another pile. And another pile. These are all out of my house. Do you think I need all those? No. So when you get all to the pens, do you see all the notebooks back here? When you get to the pens, it's bucket after bucket after bucket. Okay, now there's no pens and paper in my house, but you know what? I bet you I can make a couple $100 on this right here, but there's a lot. When I did my socks, I had 82 pair of socks, and that was just in one drawer. So I know you can do the same thing. Guys, think about all these cables. I know everybody has them. Pull them out, get them all together in one place, go through them, put in donate what you want to donate, sell for later, and just keep going, one project after a time. When I did my cleaning supplies, it was half of my kitchen floor. Terrible. So when you run into little things like this, bottle opener, throw it in a baggie, Ziploc baggie, just keep filling them, keep filling it. And eventually, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go and you're gonna say quickly, oh, I love this notebook. I got this in Cabo, I gotta keep it. And then you're gonna keep going. You gotta do it quickly or you'll be there all day with one project. But I have a friend who's been in her home for 3 weeks now straight, and she has over 40 taped boxes. And that 40 boxes is probably gonna bring her $500-600, I bet. I'm certain of it. So you can either get online and start selling your stuff right now, and think about that, $400 or $500, $600, that's a lot of groceries. So instead of sitting at home saying I'm bored or being worried about it, just start simplifying your life and getting through some of this stuff. I would definitely encourage that if you get through your whole house, then hit the garage, hit the camper, whatever you can do during this time. It'll keep you busy, plus it'll make you some money later. I hope you post some pictures of your piles of stuff like mine. And if you need sources, I can tell you right now, and then everybody else can post if they want to. There's Craigslist, Facebook, there's Facebook groups, there's swap groups, there's your own garage sale. If you're in Helena, Montana, I know of a big one that's going to be coming up. There's always a big one in Helena, and there's usually big ones in most cities. So pay for the spot, take your boxes, sell your stuff, and get your money. It's better than donating. If you just want to simplify your life, then just donate it. Otherwise, take all those bags of things, those little things, and put a tag on it that says junk bag. or junk drawer bag and put $4 or $5 on it, you'd be surprised what you can sell. So there's my 2 cents today. Post your pictures of your piles so we can see them, and that'll motivate everybody else too. Talk soon.